Hello VRay users, Alex here, your VRay guide, and today I want to show you some really cool plugin for Photoshop that will make your 3D images look like a real photo by giving it camera distortion. As you all know, different camera, different lens have different distortions. Sometimes it's been bent forward, sometimes it's been bent backward. So let me just show you where I've downloaded this plugin. By the way, it's called PTLens. If you just type in Google PTLens, you'll be able to find this website, and you can go ahead and download this plugin. After downloading it and installing it, you'll be able to find it under your filters, ePaper Press, PTLens, and as you see here, I got immediately user face. So what this plugin actually does, it makes it have different, as you see here, different cameras, and it got different models, and it got different lens. So every lens got its own. Let's take Canon. Let's take Canon SLR, and 1DS Mark III. It's a pretty good camera. We can take, yeah, let's stay with that camera. And as you see here, we got different lens right here. So by choosing this lens, we can just go with my arrows down and upwards. And as you see here, as I'm skipping my image, gets this really cool camera distortion. All right. So let's pick something something not too much exaggerated. Something like this might work good. And as you see here, we got also vinaigrette. We can add vinaigrette to our image, and we can control the strengths of the vinaigrette, of the vignette. Perspective is something that rotates and scales your image, something that we don't, I'm not really going to use. But really interesting right here is the chromatic aberration option. So don't go beyond 7, because chromatic aberration is most of the time supposed to give you only feeling and not the look. Because if you start seeing chromatic aberration in your image, sometimes people exaggerate it, overdo it, and it just doesn't look too natural. Okay, so something like this might work good. Okay. Just don't go beyond 9 or 7. Might be too much. Let's just something like this. Oh, we can also give a color. Okay, so I'm going to give a little bit chromatic aberration, about 10, 9, something like that, and we can switch between previews. We can see a really thin line here of chromatic aberration, this purple line that's going, and that might be a little bit too much. So I'm going to reduce my blues, and I'm going to reduce my reds. So about 6, something like that could work better. Okay, and we can see, well, here we don't see that much. Most of it we can see it right here. Okay, so by pressing OK, we're added our new look camera distortion to our image, and this is how it looks now. Let me just show you how it was before. I'm going to open history. So as you see here, our image being squished inside and gets those small bands of camera lens, of camera distortion, and it gives really nice looks. So go ahead, experiment with this really nice plugin. You get like different exaggerated, sometimes really like fish eyes lens and distortions and stuff like that. If you have any question, go ahead and post it below this video. I'll be more than glad to answer you. All right, thanks a lot for watching. This was Alex, your VRay guide. Talk soon. Ciao.